Look at this futuristic design icon. This was really forward-thinking design when it was built. Maybe it looks a bit retro now, but ignore that. It's a cracking little 22 horsepower Mitsubishi tractor, two-wheel drive, ready to go to work, very sensibly priced, all working as it should do. Watch this video. You've got your drawbar, your lift arms, multi-speed PTO. We've got range gears down here. We're in high, we've got medium low and super low to go at. 4 speeds on PTO, 3 speeds on the H-box in front of you there. Foot throttle. Brilliant brakes. Watch the rest of the video, see it stopping, handbrake works. Very usable, very affordable tractor.